How to achieve your fitness health goals faster. I am going to give you tips that are simple yet very powerful. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Nancy Ace. I am your personal trainer, fitness instructor, Spartan, and health coach. And my job here is to help you get to your fitness health goal in a safe, effective, efficient, and practical way. In today's video, I am going to ask you a few questions that I believe are crucial for you to move forward with the right foot. Talking about foot, we also need to know the proper steps to take in order to begin. And these steps are very practical, simple, like I said, that have helped me, clients, and class attendants get faster to that fitness health goal. Go ahead and grab your notebook, a pen, your digital tool, something to drink, and without further ado, let's get into this. Question number one, do you know your specific health fitness goal? And the reason why I'm asking is because 80-90% of the people, most of the people that come to see me have no clue. And many times they end up on the wrong side of the building, if you know what I'm saying. I've had people that say, hey, I want to lose weight, but when they start losing everything, they freak out. So now I'm very specific when I ask questions. Tell me exactly what you want. Do you want to lose weight only? Do you want to lose weight and build muscle in different parts of your body? Do you want to lose weight and tone up? Tell me exactly what you want. And when you know exactly what you want, then you can start working towards the goal from the get-go. Question number two, how many pounds do you want to lose or gain, and how much time are you giving yourself to gain or lose those pounds? The healthy weight is 1 to 2 pounds a week, whether you want to lose it or gain it. I know there's ways to lose so much more. I did it, but guess what? When we cut corners, we end up paying for what we cut. So it's not worth it. If you have an excess amount of weight, you will be losing more than 2 pounds. And that is because you're not only losing the fat, some muscle unfortunately, but you're also losing water retention, water retained, and you're also losing, if you're detoxifying, eating healthier, you're gonna be getting rid of a lot of toxic looking things, if you know what I mean. And your third last question is, why am I doing this? I will talk a little bit more about this towards the end. For now, I want to move to the next tip that I believe is going to help you, and that is get prepared. Schedule your workouts, plan your meals. If you don't prepare, it's not gonna happen. And that's because we take care of the immediate things, right? Cooking, cleaning, work, kids, so much to do. But most of the time we neglect those things that don't need our immediate attention, like our fitness, until something happens, right? And even when something happens, so we are diagnosed with an illness, we still don't take care of ourselves. So I encourage you to plan, schedule it, no matter what, regardless, whether it rains or shines, you ought to work out, you ought to run. No matter what, how busy you are, you're going to plan your meal ahead of time, or your meals. All right, so you answer those questions, you prepare your workouts, you're following a program, you are planning your meals, everything looks like it's ready to go, but wait. You need to do something that is crucial. If you don't do this, if you don't add this ingredient to the mix, it's just not gonna work, or at least it's not gonna work consistently and help you get to the goal faster. Or perhaps you may not even get to the goal because you're lacking this, and that is mind setting, mental strength. How do you gain mental strength? I am going to give you 5 tips that are going to help you build mental strength that is going to transcend to your emotions and to your actions. Remember your questions. The last one, do you know your why? Knowing your why is so crucial. And I'm gonna share a little bit about my why. I had a why, or I thought I did, many years ago. And that was to look a certain way. I wanted to look like this and like that. And I was trying all kinds of diets, doing all kinds of exercises, and losing, gaining. It was just a mess. One day, my youngest daughter saw me one more time naked on top of the scale, checking to see if I had lost ounces or gained ounces. She asked me, "Mom, why are you naked on the scale again?" Or she said, "Oh, nothing," or I don't know how she named it, but it shocked me. It just pierced me. That question pierced me. And that night, I cried. And I realized that why that I had was very superficial. And I decided to find a stronger why. And I found it. My kids, my daughters. I wanted to be a good example for them. I wanted to do things the right way. I didn't want them to go through what I was going through. Just suffering, sacrificing my peace, my mental peace, my emotional peace, my body. So I stopped and I decided to do it the right way. 2, start small. Gradually develop good habits. Good habits make it easier to build mental muscle. How about adding an extra glass of water to your water intake? Going to sleep 30 minutes before, or buying those weights. 3, make a vision board. It doesn't have to be an elaborated one. It could be something as simple as a piece of cardboard with a few pictures. Maybe a picture of yourself when you felt good, when you were your happiest. A picture of someone you admire for their courage and their determination, or a picture of the dress that you want to wear, or those jeans that you want to fit in. Find a friend, make yourself accountable. Doing that will give you a boost of determination and commitment. Even if it's just about, hey, I did this and that today, and I feel so proud about it. What did you do? Or, you know what, I messed up today. What do you think? If this is a good person, most likely she will cheer you up. She will encourage you to continue moving forward. So find yourself someone that can help you do that. And lastly, reward yourself, my dear. Yes, I'm talking about the physical material things, like the piece of clothing that you so want to fit in, or the cheat meal. Those are all good things. But mainly, I'm talking about the daily rewards that you can give yourself. I used to be very critical on myself, paying attention to what I didn't do or what I didn't do that good. So now I reward myself with constant awareness of what I do well. And I say, hey, you did it. You completed this. It feels good, right? You also want to do things that have nothing to do with getting things. Perhaps avoid going to the gym and go to your favorite hiking trail, and reward yourself with a beautiful view. Just being in front of nature, the beach, the zoo. You know, you can do things like that. It doesn't have to be always about, you know, material things, what I can put on me. It helps you go beyond, you know, the physical things and focus more on your soul, your spirit, which is that part of you that needs to be fed in a regular basis, and that will give you the extra energy to continue moving forward. There you have it. Go ahead and answer those questions, apply those tips, and I guarantee you are going to move that fitness, health goal, whatever the goal is, faster. And remember this, if you remember anything, I would love for you to remember this. Work without purpose feels dry and tiresome. But when you have a purpose, knowing your why is one of the most important questions that you could answer. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and is helpful. Share it, like it, subscribe so you can get more videos like this that are going to help you continue moving forward and add more knowledge and understanding about different things. I talk a lot about fitness, health, but I also try to talk about things that are going to help you in your life, your mental, your emotional, your spiritual life. All right, have an amazing rest of your day, and I hope to see you soon. Until then, take care.